Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. First of all, I apologize for my absence on Friday. I woke up quite under the weather. Didn't make for a very fun weekend for me, but we are on the mend, so we're back at it today. Most importantly, I do want to thank everyone so much, as over the weekend we hit 50,000 subscribers, so a really exciting milestone. I know 2022 has been a rough go in the market and it's hard to maintain a lot of enthusiasm, but we appreciate you still tuning in and hearing what we have to say every day. So thank you guys so much for the support. Now this morning, of course, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. So let's jump right into this morning's exciting stock market news. Unfortunately, we are starting the week off with U.S. stock futures well into the red after CPI data on Friday showed that prices increased at a higher than expected rate. We're also awaiting the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions that are due out on Wednesday. Currently, Dow futures are down 1.79%, S&P 500 futures down 2.22%, and NASDAQ futures down 2.87%. Also in the red this morning are cryptocurrencies. The decline is due to Celsius Network, one of the largest crypto lenders, halting withdrawals. In a statement from the network, they said that due to extreme market conditions, today we are announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawals, swap, and transfers between accounts. We are taking this action to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal obligations. Major cryptocurrency Bitcoin is down over 10%, falling below $24,000 this morning. Nearly 2 years after their 5-for-1 stock split, Tesla announced that they'll be proposing another one, this time a 3-for-1 stock split. They've proposed a shareholder vote in favor of the 3-for-1 stock split at their annual shareholder meeting scheduled for August 4th. The board proposes to effectuate the split in the form of a stock dividend. If approved, it'll increase the authorized share capital to 6 billion shares. Noting the two most important influences driving the proposed stock split, the company stated, "We believe the stock split will help reset the market price of our common stock so that our employees will have more flexibility in managing their equity, and that the stock split will also make their common stock more accessible to retail shareholders." Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 35%. EV startup Electric Last Mile Solutions said that they plan to file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. This comes after a review of their products and commercialization plans, and they found that liquidation was the only responsible next step for their shareholders, partners, creditors, and employees. They've had a number of issues this past year, including the resignation of their chairman and chief executive and an SEC investigation related to their reporting of vehicle orders. The stock is now down 54% in the pre-market, trading at just 23 cents. And according to the FDA, Pfizer's COVID vaccine appears to be safe for use in kids aged 6 months to 4 years. In a review of study data posted online Sunday, the FDA said its evaluation didn't reveal any new safety concerns related to the use of the vaccine made by Pfizer and BioNTech in young children compared with the older age groups. The FDA's review was released ahead of a meeting on Wednesday when outside experts will vote on whether to recommend expanding the use of the Pfizer shot to the nation's youngest population. The Pfizer stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 18%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. This morning is very quiet for earnings, but taking a look at the week ahead, we do have a couple big names this week, including Oracle reporting in the after hours today, and on Thursday we'll be hearing from both Kroger and Adobe. So let's move right along to this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by New Oriental Education and Technology Group following the success of their new e-commerce live streaming business. Under the ticker EDU, the stock is currently up 9.3%. They're followed by RLX Technology under the ticker RLX, up over 5.2%, and Roivant Sciences under ROIV, up 5.17%. Our biggest losers this morning include companies with many ties to cryptocurrency that are dropping along the crypto decline, led by MicroStrategy. Under the ticker MSTR, the stock is down over 24%. They're followed by Silvergate Capital under the ticker SI, down over 15.6%, and Coinbase Global under COIN, also down about 15.6%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Once again, thank you guys so much for the continued support and getting us over that 50,000 milestone. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.